not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not.
Hello guys, my name is Quinta and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, thank you so much. For my new subscribers, thank you so much for liking my videos, for liking my channel. For those who haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, in today's video I'm just going to be cleaning my storage baskets, my jars, my fridge. I'm gonna be showing you my ring light. I'm gonna be giving you my ring light review, guys, and later on I'm going to prepare my dinner. I'll show you how to marinate chicken, how I prepare my chicken. So guys, tune in and please make sure you watch till the end. So I'm just going to use hot water to clean the jars and some ushindi soap. So basically this is what I always do when I run out of shopping. I always make sure to wash my storage jars and fridge so that after shopping it will be easier to do my restock. And by the way guys, as you watch, please don't forget to subscribe. I've realized that most of you watch and forget to subscribe. Just take your time and subscribe because that really motivates me. And also putting and thumbs ups, I mean liking the vlog, uh helps your vlog to be recommended to many people so that it may reach a wider audience. So guys, please don't forget to do the above. Please subscribe, like, and share as well.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we
Right now I'm thinking of changing my dish rack, that blue one. I want something that metallic. I want a black utensil rack. I just want to get rid of the plastic, so I'll be getting a black utensil stand. And yeah, I'll also do some refresh in my kitchen. I'll be getting some kitchen mats, yeah, and some other few items that I might need, and also an air fryer. I really like that kitchen appliance so much, and I'm thinking of getting one soon, an air fryer. So I'm just going to start with a dish rack, a two-tier dish rack, not the over the sink, a two-tier dish rack and an air fryer.
messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go.
And so guys, you can see the storage baskets are three. The smaller one is for baby storage, and the two big ones, one is for rice, the other one is for maize flour.
Why do I, baby, why do I love
I'll also be cleaning my blender because it was at the fundy and I took it while it was so dusty and smelling roaches. It really smells like cockroaches. So I just have to give it a clean up so that, yeah, just have to give it a clean up.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals
And by
collide.
the way, guys, what do you use to clean your sufurias? Because since I started using this blue soap, it's called yeah, they call it sufuria soap. This is the soap that I usually use to clean my sufurias, and it leaves my sufurias so sparkling clean. You can see, guys, how it does the work. So after this, you're gonna see the shiny part. It really makes the sufurias clean and shiny.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah,
So that's it, guys. You can see how the sufurias turned out. So after this, I'm just going to clean my dustbin because the people who collect the litter have just cleared my dustbin. So I'm just going to clean them up.
all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
And so that's it, guys. Do you really wash your dustbins? Because for me, I really find it hard using them unwashed. So after this, I'm just going to put on the garbage bags. I have the black garbage bags that I put inside the blue bin. So I'm just going to do that after they've dried up. And so, guys, here is the fridge part. It's been long since I cleaned my fridge, and you can also see my fridge is empty, kind of empty. Actually, it's empty. So I'm just going to clean it up. I'll be using warm water and some bit of vinegar. And so I'm going to be removing everything inside the fridge so that I can clean it with no disturbance. So I'll remove every item in the fridge.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
By the way, guys, which part of the house, which part of your rooms do you like the most? Actually, for me, I love my kitchen so much. My kitchen and my living room, those are the two parts I love in my house. Leave the bedrooms alone, the washrooms. I really love my kitchen and my living room. So that's why I always try hard to make my kitchen and living room look so wow. You can leave the comments in my comment section. Yeah, let's interact, guys. And by the way, I realized that most of you don't like commenting. Please, commenting is very okay. Just leave a comment. It won't hurt. It's just nice. Just leave a comment. Anything I'll appreciate.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed.
So guys, that's how my fridge turned out, so clean. I just want to restock it already, but anyway, the storage baskets are already dry. I just put it their place, and the kitchen towels too. That's why I hang my kitchen towels, by the way, to prevent that bad smell. So I prefer them staying there in the window so that they can get that fresh air. So guys, after this, I'm just going to prepare my chicken. I'll show you how I marinate my chicken, and we'll prepare our dinner together. So I'll just go and take a shower, then I'll be right back. I'll also give you my ring light review. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. So if you haven't subscribed and you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe. And so guys, this is me after some minutes, I guess like 20 minutes, because I just went to take a shower so that I can prepare my dinner. So guys, direct to it. So my neighbor assisted me in preparing the chicken. I don't know how to prepare chicken, by the way. I can't kill a chicken, I can't slaughter a chicken. Yeah, my neighbor did it for me, so my work was just to wash it and prepare. So I'll just marinate it. I'm using soy sauce, curry powder, paprika, demo, what do we call demo, bay leaves, citric acid. Yeah, demo is citric acid. Because I don't have the lemon, I'm gonna be using citric acid. So this is the citric acid, and I'll just use a little bit of citric acid, curry powder, paprika, cumin powder. What else did I use? Before I forget, the purpose of citric acid or lemon is to remove that bad smell in the chicken. So that's why I prefer using citric acid or lemon. I realized that I didn't use tomato paste, and it was in my fridge. It's just that I didn't remember, but I'm gonna be using it when cooking it on the fire. So right now it's 7. I'm going to marinate the chicken for exactly 1 hour. So I'm going to prepare it at exactly 8, so that by 9 food will be ready. So after storing the chicken in the fridge, I'm just going to give you a review of my ring light.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. And much you're a lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
So that's it. I'll be storing it in the fridge, and so the chicken is in the fridge, and I'm just typing up here. I don't like the smell of the chicken in my kitchen, so I'm just giving it a wipe water with vinegar and some little bit of citric acid. And so yeah, here comes my ring light. This is the one that's always behind the camera. This is the person that shoots my vlogs. By the way, it has really helped me. Thanks to my sister, she bought it for me. Thank you so much, Nancy. I love you so much. It can hold a phone vertically and horizontally. So that's the ring light. This is the cable. It has warm light, bright light, so I can change the lights whenever I feel like. You can add brightness and you can also reduce the brightness, though I don't use the lights oftenly. I really don't use the lights oftenly. This is the cable that I usually attach to my socket, or the best item to use is a power bank, because connecting it directly to the socket can destroy the ring light. So I prefer using a power bank. So I don't use the light so much. I just attach it just because of the phone holder, since I didn't buy a phone holder. It has a knob, you can adjust it. It's so tall. It's tall. Yeah, it's very tall, so I can be able to set it at any angle. So guys, that's it about my ring light. So the chicken is ready, so I'm just going to prepare food for my family. So guys, continue watching, and I really hope you're enjoying the video, and I'll still insist on subscribing. Please guys, subscribe, like the video. Please like the video. So for today's dinner, I'm preparing chicken, rice with lentils, fried rice with lentils, and what else? Yeah, fried rice with lentils and chicken. That's what we'll be having for dinner. I've already prepared the ingredients. What's left is just preparing. So for me, after marinating the chicken, I always fry my chicken first with a little bit of oil, so that it can be sweet. And also I forgot, I'm preparing, yeah, rice with lentils, chicken, and cabbage. My husband loves cabbage so much, so much. So for us, we don't eat kuma most of the time because he loves cabbage, and Chelsea too loves cabbage, and so the majority wins. So as I fry my chicken, I'll also be boiling my rice. So that's why I've put water in the sufuria for my rice as I boil the chicken.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London
And so guys, that's it. That's our chicken. It looks so yummy. It's so sweet. And rice is ready, cabbage is ready. And so guys, thank you so much for watching my premium gang. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, we are almost winding up. Let's meet in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.